G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make popcorn chicken. Oh, this is so yummy. Let's go.
Simple cooking, simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Alrighty then, now for this just get about 400 to 500 grams of chicken breast. Just cut them up into little pieces. Then melt about a tablespoon or so of butter. Pour that in and just mix it around so they're all coated. I get something like a snap block bag. Put in about half a cup or so of breadcrumbs. Then add some parsley, just dried. However much you want. I'm putting in probably about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Then get some paprika, the sweet kind. Put that in, about a teaspoon or so of that. Then add about half a teaspoon of thyme, which is probably equal to about 2.5 minutes. Now get your chicken pieces and chuck them in the bag. Just seal it, and then we want to shake until they're all completely covered. Alrighty, they're done. Oh yeah. Now just get a baking tray. Something, because we're going to put these in the oven. So you just place them on a baking tray, or I'm using this silicone doobie whacker. And what you want to do is turn your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oven's heated up and these are all on here, pop them in here. They'll take about 20 to 25 minutes to be done. Oh, these are so yummy. Well, I hope you like these. Oh yeah. Oh, so I'll just try one, just because I may as well. So good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.